Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna give you a detailed video of how to manage and use this Flip Focus app. So first of all, let's download it from the Play Store. Install it from the Play Store app. So here we can see all the contents of the Flip Focus app. Now it's getting downloaded. Now let's open this app. So we get an interface like this. So they're given the terms and conditions. So let's click the option agree and let's start it. Create a goal of your study. Check daily records from timetable and statistic. And it helps to check out other features such as daily report and more. So this is our home page. Here we can see the timer and we can find how many students are studying right now, and it provides the statistics of our daily performance. Now let's click on the more button. Here we get an interface like this. Here we need to register our profile. For that we need to choose an account. Here I'm gonna choose my account. Now it's time to give a nickname. I'm gonna try Sumi, nickname Sumi, and let's check whether it is available or not. Oh, nickname already exists. So let's close this and we can try another one. I'm gonna write Safa Marwa and let's check. Okay, now it's available. And let's give the occupation as student and we need to change the country as India. And so it's time to register your school name. So I'm gonna write my institution name as Brilliant Pala and let's check whether it is available or not. So here different schools are provided, and yeah, Brilliant Pala can be seen under. And now it's time to click on the register button, and entering email is only optional. Okay, so it's over. Now there is an option called quote of the day, and let's select the language as English. So a quote is updated every day and show only for last 3 days, and here is the quote given there. And now another option called global ranking, friend ranking, and there is an option called school ranking. Now let's open this global ranking option. So this is the interface of global ranking. Here we can see the ranking of different students who are studying globally, and their ranking positions can be seen, their study hours, their focus level, all can be seen. And the first one got gold crown, second one silver crown, that's way. Now let's click on the friend ranking option. Here we can see an option called friend ranking, and there we can see the ranking informations of our friends, and there is an option called message, and we can send messages to our friends. And now let's see how to send a friend request. Now I'm sending a request to the person who is in the first position. So now the request is submitted. Now let's take an option called the school ranking, in which we can know the ranking position of our institution. And there is an option called calendar, in which we can set the dates, and there is an option called a D-Day. So here we can add the important dates that we need to remember, like friend's birthday, whatever it is. And we can change the date, and we can choose different colors, and we can choose stickers also. So it will be shown in the calendar lastly. Now there is an option called study schedule, in which you can set your schedule, and there is a plus sign in which you can add your subject. Now I'm entering my subject physics, and here you can select the day. So this is the way that study schedule opens. So now there is an option called a daily report, in which you can compare your performance with yesterday's. And there is an option called a timeline. Here you can add your goal record, daily routine, etc. Now there is an option called my goals. There is now let's move on to the home page. So this is the way that our home page appears. So here we can see our statistics, our goals, and there is an option called flip zone. When we click, the interface open like this. So here we need to choose more than 3 categories. Now I am choosing English, NEET, doctor. You can choose different categories as per your wish. So this is the study group page, and these are the most hardworking groups of this app. And there we can see different kind of group, and you can join as per your wish. So let's select, or let's search my institutions group, Brilliant Pala. Yeah, the group open like this, and its group leader name is Hafinada. So this is the group's activities page, and here the leader announced the gems of this group and provided with a gold trophy after their name. And here we can see other motivational things and other kind of stuffs, etc. And different groups can be seen here: aims, studying hours, best girls group, and you can join as per your wish. There is no restriction to that. And here you can see a notification button, in which you can find the notifications. And now I am gonna enter a BTS Productive Army group. This is also a study group. Okay, so if you join to this group, the one thing that helps you is that you can it will help you to interact with different kinds of students, or different students of different countries. So these are the activities of BTS Productive Army group. And if you want to join to this group, you need to press on the apply button, and if the leader approve your application, you can join in it. Now let's click on that plus sign. Here we get 3 options: how to manage, how to use this study group, etc. And these options will describe describe how to use this app. Okay, so now let's click on this button, and this here we get an interface like this, and this page is known as FlipTalk page. So here we can see different kinds of students from different countries. Their activities are shown here. We can talk with them. We can post our study logs here. See, different kinds of languages can be seen here, right? Arabic, Hindi, and different kinds of languages. Now let's come back to the home page. Now here are the options called study log and free points. Now let's check the free points page. So now points are awarded for under 2 hours of study. Now let's go to the study log page. So here we can see different study logs that are uploaded by people of this app. Look how attractive those study logs are. Now there is an option called event. So here you can invite your friends and you can flip together. By doing like that, after 7 days, you and your friend will get the premium version of this app. So how to join this event and its steps are given here. So after 7 days, you and your friend will receive reward. That means 7 days of premium together. So this is a kind of recommending this app to your friends. By doing that, you will get the premium version of this app for 7 days. Now let's come back to the home page. Now here is an option called a timetable, and in which you can set your timetable, and you can use the timetable to automatically summarize today's measured goals. So here is a plus sign in which you can set your goal. Now I am giving my goal title as 15 hours. You can give whatever you wish. And here you can give your daily goal time. I am giving it as 15 hours. And you need to select your period as today. So the new goal is added now. Now let's start the timer for studying. If you need to take break, you can do it by stopping the timer. Here you can see the goal time, focus level, your recent focus, etc. So in live right now 1637 students are present, and you can check how many of the students are studying right now, and you can see their studying hours, their focus level and all. But don't try to compare with their study hours, okay? So see, I take a break so that they're written as break one time. So here the focus level is given as B grade, but gradually it become A grade. At the upper side, you can see an option called stopwatch or timer, stopwatch history, in which you can know how to set the timer. So here in the home page, you can see your ranking today. So here my ranking is given as 1139. So this is the way the Flip Focus app will work. So I hope you guys understand how to manage and use this Flip Focus app. For further doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So it's Suni signing off. Bye bye.